Greetings everyone and welcome to Saudamini Kitchen, where I share the kitchen secrets from my eye. Today we'll be making a Goan famous dish which has its Portugal roots but is a very important and a major part in a Karwari's life. Chicken Xacuti. Let's get started with the recipe. For marinating 1 kilo chicken, you will need garlic pods 15, 2 to 3 inches of ginger, 30 ml of lemon juice, salt, coriander and green chillies. You can use green chillies as per the heat needed. Here is the list of all the masalas or the spices. We'll start with khaskhas or the poppy seeds. We'll need around 10 grams. We'll need cinnamon sticks. We'll need black cardamom or badi ilaichi. We'll need choti ilaichi. We'll need nutmeg, a quarter inch will do. Some soft black pepper and cloves. Details of the ingredients are given in the description below. To the spice mix, we add coriander and red chilies. You might want to take a note of all these spices. For the gravy, we need chopped onions, sliced onions and some grated coconut. Also need some 20 ml of coconut milk, completely optional. Before we start the actual recipe, let's get started with the marination, which is the crucial step for getting the chicken ready. We add in all the ingredients, the ginger, the chilies, the coriander, the garlic cloves and blend it into a fine paste. We've taken 1 kg of clean chicken, to which we add some salt. We add a little bit of lemon juice and then we add the green paste which we had just made earlier. Mix it all well and set it aside for around 2 to 3 hours, or else overnight will work wonders. Into a large pan, take 2 teaspoons of oil and add all the dry spices, the clove, followed by the cinnamon, followed by the cardamom, the black cardamom and the pods of green cardamom or the small cardamoms. Add black pepper, the nutmeg, toss it well. To follow the order of spices, add the fennel seeds to the mixture, toss it for some time and then add the poppy seeds. Once you toss the poppy seeds for a minute or so, we'll add the coriander seeds, followed by the red chilies. Toss them for 2 minutes and remove them from the heat and let them cool. To the same heated pan, we'll add 2 teaspoons of oil. To it, we will add the sliced onions. Once the onions turn into golden brown, we then add the grated coconut. Here we are using 1 big coconut, which is around 250 grams. Combine this mixture completely till the coconut does not turn golden brown. Once the coconut turns golden, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it well, remove it from heat and keep it aside. Here is the entire preparation. We have added tomatoes over here. Let's get started with the actual assembly. In the blender, we will add the toasted spices and coarsely blend it. To the ground masala, we'll add the sauteed onion and coconut mixture and blend it with a little bit of water, a quarter cup will do. Blend it into a fine paste. Heat a large sauteed pan and add 4 teaspoons of ghee. To this, add the chopped onions and let them turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, in goes the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add the marinated chicken to this mixture. By now, the chicken has got tender, therefore cooking should not take much of time. Mix it well and cover it with the lid and let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will see that the chicken has released some water and it's nicely cooked. You come to know when the flesh starts leaving the bone, that's when it's cooked. This is the right time to add the curry paste or the curry mixture. Combine the chicken thoroughly with the paste and add salt to taste. At this stage, you would like to add a quarter cup of water in case you feel the curry is not at a right consistency. Once the curry comes to a boil, this is the right time to add the yummicious coconut milk. It's an optional step, but I don't think you would like to miss it, as it just takes the curry to a whole new level. Simmer for another 10 minutes till it turns into a nice velvety texture. And this is how we make chicken xacuti. Do enjoy it with a nice poha or dosa. Also, it can be very well enjoyed with steaming hot basmati rice. So do make it and let us know in the comments below. How did you find this recipe? Do subscribe to our channel and share it with your loved ones. Until next time, do try the recipe and enjoy.